Hey guys, it's Miki and today I'm going to be doing a plushie collection video. I saw a couple of these online and thought it was really cute, and my plushie collection personally I'm very proud of. Everything is super pink and super cute. As you guys know, I'm a pink girly, so I just wanted to show you guys my collection. Okay guys, so here's my room. All my plushies are in different locations in my room and they look really cute where they are. So I just kind of wanted to show you the plushies, where they're from, and also like where they are, so you can like see basically the whole picture. Okay, so I turned on the overhead light so you can like see better, but basically yes. So here's the overview, and I'll start from the right and go through the left. So here I'll start in this little cubby over here. I have these plushies. So this is a little Hello Kitty plush that I got from AliExpress. It's about, I think it's like an 8-inch plush, maybe. I feel like it's like a 6 to 8-inch plush, maybe like 7-inch. And I have these two little stacking kittens, which my lovely girlfriend gave me both of them. They are from Hot Topic. And then when I move to the next little cubby, there is this cute little flying pig plush, which I got from Five Below. And then in the last little cubby to the left is this adorable little heart ear Miniso plush that I actually ordered off of Shein, but it's Miniso, and I love it, so cute. And under here I just have this cute My Melody backpack, which my girlfriend also gave me. And then when I move up to here, I have my two Build-A-Bears, which I literally adore them so much. This is my cute little Paulette. Her name is Bonnie. She has just a regular little Build-A-Bear shirt on and then bows on the ears. And then I have this adorable My Melody that I got recently. Yes, it's so cute. It's like a little baby. So that's that. And then up here, I have my other Build-A-Bear. This is the Gentle Cuddles Bunny. And the little top, I actually made it just from pink fabric and ribbon. And also, of course, Bunny has ribbon on the ears. This bunny's name is Vanny, and yeah, that's my other Build-A-Bear. And then I also have this mini version of the flying pig plush here, which is super duper cute. I think it's from Walgreens I got it from, but Walgreens like shuffles out their Squishmallows, so they don't have like consistent on what they have there. But yes, this little baby is so cute, and it's like, again, like a little buddy basically. Then when I move down here, I have two plushies in here. So this little bear is actually a Texas bear. If I lift up this little sweater, you could see the little red has like that flippable red and blue sequin underneath. And I love the bear so much and thought it was cute, but that didn't match my room, so I just crocheted this little sweater. The sweater is not perfect, and I made the mistake of using really bulky yarn to crochet it, so the arms are like permanently up, but I think it's cute nonetheless. Also, I have to use a water bottle in there to hold it up because it doesn't sit up on its own, and I DIY'd the ears and then put little bows on it too, so this little bear is super cute. And then of course I have my little My Melody. This is from Temu. It's Temu's infamous My Melody plush. It's like one of the first items that pop up on the site. So yes. So that's basically it for this area. And then when I move over here to my bed, I'll show you the plushes I have here. So I'll start from the right again. I have this cute little axolotl plush that I got from Shein. My big My Melody head plush, which honestly is tore up right now. The little flower unfortunately fell off. I mean to make it another one and attach it. And then also there's like a hole forming in the head, but I'm gonna repair her, okay you guys, and then she's gonna be a new girl. But that's my little big My Melody head, which was from AliExpress. Then I have these three plushies here. This cat at the top that's my little squishy cat plush called Squiggy. That is from Temu. Oh, no, it's from Temu or Shein. I'm pretty sure I got mine from Shein. I got mine from Temu. Okay, you guys, it's from one of those. I'm pretty sure it's from Temu now that I'm thinking about it. And then the plush underneath, I call that my little Deku. I don't know if you guys know, but I love My Hero Academia, and this is just Deku to me. So the little cow underneath is Deku. Let me lift up Squiggy so I can show you guys. So that's Deku underneath, and this is Squiggy. I love. Okay. I love when the plushies can stack, just like the kitties I have. And the other thing, I love when they can stack. And then I have my cute little plush here. My baby brother named this one, and this is my little plush Lily. It's like a little cow milkshake, and I love it. So that's those. Let me show you a little bit better. But yes. So those are my little bed plushies over here. And then finally on my bed, I keep my giant teddy bear that this big boy is Bug Huggy. So this is my big bear, Bug Huggy. Super cute, and I love Bug Huggy. Super good for sleeping. So those are all the plushies I keep on my bed. I used to keep more on my bed, but I sleep on it and it takes up all the space and they all get thrown on the floor. So I really simplified it so it's like more manageable. Anyways, so moving over here, I just in this corner have this little baby. This is Kachan. You guys are gonna think I'm weird for naming my plushes. Not all of them are named, just some, you know what I mean? Anyways, this is Kachan. Again, I love My Hero Academia, and like, listen, okay, you'll see. So anyway, this is my little plush Kachan. I got this from Temu. They restocked this one, so they actually have it. So I did see that one on there. I think I forgot. So okay, wait. These two, Squiggy and Deku, are from Temu, but then this one is from Claire's. And then I got this big bear from Walmart. It was literally a Mother's Day bear, and like if you look at the feet, how it's blue, it said like Happy Mother's Day 2023, and I literally just glued felt over them to cover them up. It's kind of falling off, but like, you know. Anyways, so yes, this little bear is from Temu, and this is Kachan. And then if you move over here, this bear is basically the same as this bear. Like, you see, look at it, and then look at it. They're not the same, but they're really similar. So this bear is Lord Explosion Murder. Hear me out. Basically, in the show, Bakugo's hero name is Lord Explosion Murder, but Deku calls Bakugo Kachan. So this is Lord Explosion Murder, and then this is Kachan, because like baby big. And they're like the same, because look, they're both wearing Hello Kitty costumes. Look at the little Hello Kitty onesie this one has, and this one has a little cute Hello Kitty hat and top. And yeah, they're both from Temu, this one and this one, but this one is completely sold out, and I don't know if it'll ever get restocked. So I'm sorry, you guys. I know it's literally, so I love this plush so much because it's so cute and so like unique. I love like unique plushes. I try to find unique ones all the time as much as I can. Anyways, and as you can like notice by like the theme of all my plushes, I try to do all of them white and pink. I do like a little bit of brown too, but I try to do all of them mainly white and pink. Everything has to include pink or white, basically. I don't like colorized plushes like that. So yeah, this is Lord Explosion Murder, again from Temu. This is a cute little fluffy cow. They have this on Shein and Temu. And then this was actually a cinnamon roll keychain. If you look over here on my little Nana bag, oh, see my little My Hero Academia pins on this. Telling you, I love My Hero. I'm waiting for season 7. Anyways, you can see this was actually a keychain. I have 2 of these, but this one ended up breaking off, so I just cut off the little keychain part and made it a little buddy. So basically, these are the plushes I have here. Down here, I crocheted these 2 little Miffy plushes, but they are pretty wonky, so I won't like go into them, but I did crochet those, and yeah. Anyways, so moving on over here, I have this little like shelf basically with plushes inside, and on the first shelf I have my adorable Quarter Lakuma that I got from AliExpress, and next to it is this little Hello Kitty in a shark costume that I got from Temu. I love these, they're so cute. Then underneath I just have a flower little pillow plush, and then this was from Shein, but it's like not really a plush, you know. And then under here I have 2 little plushies, both the Kurila is from Temu, and then this one, the little boba or milkshake one, is from Shein. Okay, then this is the final stretch of plushes in my room. I have this little corner, which is like my fave little corner in my room. And on the top shelf, I have this My Melody that I got from Hot Topic. It's actually a backpack, as you can see by the straps in the back, but I keep it as a plush and it's so cute. And then I have my little Hello Kitty, which was from Amazon. And then in the corner, I have another Miffy, which is from... Whoa, this Miffy is from AliExpress in the corner. So that's my top shelf, super cute. And then on the bottom shelf, I have this little mushroom thingy. My girlfriend actually got me this as well. It's from Hot Topic. And then I got this little cow plush from... Sorry, I'm trying to remember where I got everything. This is from Temu. It's a little strawberry cow plush. It's like a little Squishmallow. And then I have like a regular pink cow, which is again from Temu. And then in the corner, I have this little gumdrop like one, and it's from Five Below. And finally, I have this little Cubby that my girlfriend got me too, which I don't know where she got this, but it's probably from one of the sites I listed a million times in this video. So yeah, here's the plushes on here. Cubby is secretly not supposed to be here, but I don't know where else to put him right now, so that's where I keep it. So yeah, that is my current plush collection. It is growing. I get new plushes all the time, but these are my currents and I love them all so much. Yeah, so those are all my plushies. I literally love them all and literally want more every single day, and I'm trying to resist buying more like every second. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be some